Hello everyone, and welcome back to another project tour. Today, I'm going to be showing you around our recently completed retail project. This is Lulu Bee Artisanal Chocolates in Lincoln, Nebraska. If you're from Nebraska, you've probably heard of Lulu Bee because they make exceptionally awesome chocolates. When they approached us to help design their very first retail space, we were so excited. We are standing in the 350 square foot area that is their retail space now. And behind this wall is the prep kitchen. When we started our design process for this space, we began by looking at their existing branding, advertising, and marketing. And we noticed a lot of attention to detail. They would have imagery of natural linen, hand-thrown ceramic mugs, and even delicate flowers. So we wanted to translate that into high-quality materials that were derived from nature. First, we selected a real earthy green color for the front desk and topped that with a countertop that resembled caramel swirls. And then, to draw your eye to the point of sale, we did a waterfall edge just for some extra interest. We implemented two logos throughout the space. The first one you see as soon as you walk in, right on the front of that front desk. The other one is on a feature wall that we'll talk about later. But what I really like about the logos is that we worked with a local metal artisan who finished each letter by hand, which is really important to creating that high quality, handcrafted aesthetic that we wanted for this interior. The Bonbons are really the star of the show, so we laid out the space to have them front and center. And a fun fact is that the Bonbons are actually stored under counter in mini fridges at night and then laid on top of the counter for customers to buy during the day. So because of that, we actually had to do multiple sets of drawings and calculate different space allowances to see how many bonbons we could ideally fit on the counter. Then we took it another step further and we created custom acrylic trays for the bonbons to sit on. We had the bottom slightly blurred to add a little bit of differentiation between the countertop and the bonbon. And then we had the front of the tray slit at an angle so that as the seasonal bonbon flavors change, they can easily slide in and out a new title card so that customers know the flavor they are buying. It was really important to the owner to have windows so that customers could see from the retail side into the kitchen. She wanted them to be able to see the process that she lovingly refers to as willy walking. So we did multiple elevation drawings to make sure that the windows lined up with the oversized pendants we dropped and that the tops all lined up with the menus that you see behind me. Lulu Bee Artisanal Chocolates also sells many other products besides bonbons. They sell caramel squares, they sell chocolate bars, and so much more. So we knew we needed a retail area. We designated the north wall to be both retail and storage. We started with some floating shelves so that the product would really shine. And we had these floating shelves custom stained so that they would match the chocolate melamine cabinets below. Then we illuminated the entire area with some beautiful wall sconces that are wrapped in a linen shade, which really takes us back to our original inspiration of staying with that natural texture. Last but certainly not least is the feature wall. The owner wanted some neat Instagrammable moment in this space and we knew the south wall was the place to do it. So we found this incredible reclaimed wood that kind of looked like dimensional 3D chocolate bars and we put that on the wall. Then we added the second logo on standoffs, we hit it with a spotlight, and it created a real interesting moment. And every time I come in here, first of all, there's a lot of people here to buy chocolates, and I always see someone taking their picture with this sign. So it is really doing its job, which makes us very happy. All in all, we love how this project turned out because it puts the product first and it reinforces that high quality, handmade aesthetic that we were going for. If you like these video tours, please like, share, and subscribe so that we can continue making them in the future. And if you liked this specific tour of Lulu Bee Artisanal Chocolates, please like this video and support female business owners. Last but not least, if you just like interior design in general, like I do, please share this video with your friends so that they can see it and subscribe to our channel so that you can see our future projects. Thanks again for watching and have a great rest of your day.